What is good, guys? Hlu Lanie, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Hlu Lanie, and you are about to subscribe, darling. Please do subscribe, join the family, and also do hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. Alright, guys, so today's video is a hairstyle tutorial. The hairstyle that I'll be doing is the piglets. I think that's what they are called. Piglets or two ponytails, side ponytails, whatever you want to call them, but yeah, I'll call them piglets. Yeah, so this is what you are going to need. First of all, you're going to need a straightener. Yes, and then you're also going to need your mirror and some mousse. I'm using the olive oil. Is it ORS? What? Yeah. And you're also going to need a wax stick, a comb, a small comb. I think it's called rectal comb, whatever. And you're also going to need 2 hair ties. And then you're also going to need a hot comb. This hot comb I got from Take a Lot, and I'll say this again, it doesn't heat up as much as it claims to. Yo, so I start by combing my hair, and then I straighten it. Not really straighten it because it was already straightened the day before I recorded the video, but I'm just going to like do that swoop or whatever. Just curl it up because I wanted that just that whatever that I'm doing. Yeah, so I'm just curling it up, yeah, just like this. I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and then I'll only speak when I have to, so please do enjoy. I also forgot to record an outro, but yeah. Okay, so I now part my hair for the first ponytail, and I make sure that I tried by all means to not show the wefts or the tracks of the hair, because like this is not my real hair, so obviously the tracks are going to show. But yeah, here I was just parting the hair, and so that I just have an idea of how I want the hairstyle to look, or how the hairstyle is going to look. And then now that I was happy and I was sure that I really want this hairstyle, I then went on with mousse on the ponytails, just on the flat surface, whatever. Oh, I can't talk. Okay, yeah. I just applied some mousse just to flatten that area. And then you'll see me also going on with some wax stick and also a hot comb. I think I forgot to show you when I was using a hot comb, but yeah, I also did flatten it a bit more with a hot comb. And yeah, so now I'm gonna do what I did on the left side, I'm gonna do on the right side.
Ezozwene ufaka ama-specs uzobuza ubumnandi obulapho Any day this life gon' flash before your eyes. In a girl like you, I see my whole design. And the way I feel for you can't be described, no. I lose my mind, yo. Like baby, yo, you drive me crazy, yo. But you not hear me though. I'm in your radio, yeah. Put it all for you, write this song for you. I've been gone from you way too long for you. Tatis kupu, achikupu, asbambegi baso sole moyed, so pele mawin, himlanji, kandala zula aujigelele, gelele.
so at this point I was happy with the ponytails. Now we are on the lace. So I just went on with some got to be glued and sprayed it on the lace on the parts where I felt like the lace was not laid. Oh, this word. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Where I felt like the lace didn't melt. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use melt. Yeah, but then, oh child, look at that. It looks like it's coming out of my scalp, baby. And then now here I was trying some baby hairs. Yo guys, I'm so bad at baby hairs on a weave. Even on my real hair, I never knew, like I've never like mastered baby hairs yet. So I'm very bad at doing baby hairs. But I was just using the got to be glued spray just to try. Ooh, Jess, uyanhla yini ungakhosa. Yo, awesome. And then I also did some on the other side because what you do on the right, you do on the left. Done, I went on and straightened and curved the ponytails, just to have some vavavoom, because I felt like they were too plain. So I just did the same thing that I did on the other parts of the hair. What am I even saying? Yeah, Marane want to see. Yeah, so I just did the swoop, whatever. What is this really? Oh my gosh. This hairstyle I saw on Pinterest. And I had to recreate it. I'll try and see if I can find the picture again. So this is how I was looking at the end. I was looking like a doll that I am. If you guys did enjoy this video, please do not forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you on my next one. Also, please do send me pictures for inspiration so that I can recreate. Bye.